you to stitch these open wounds while you kiss me. Take a deep breath, hear my chest counting to 3. Take a deep breath, hear my chest counting to 3. Faith is a leap. Trusting your promise, I open up just for your release. Though I'm so fragile, your steady hands reassure me. It's scary, but I'm ready. Prepare me for surgery. Cut me open till...
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating, you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about my summer plans for my deck. I've told you guys about my deck before, how I want to refresh it. It hasn't been refreshed, I want to say, for about 3 years now, and I need to strip off the paint and repaint it. However, it has been raining nonstop where I live. Like every day it's rain, 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 rain. So I've not been able to paint my deck. As such, I have a video collaboration with LUE BONA that I need to do that I haven't been able to do because it involves a planter that they so graciously reached out to me. So what I decided, or reached out and asked me if I wanted to review. So what I decided to do is take some footage that I have and do a little AI magic and create the video and share with you my plans for my deck. And hopefully I can get this done within the next month or so, because then summer will be over. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. So LUE BONA, again, is the sponsor of today's video. So thank you, LUE BONA, for reaching out to me, asking me if I wanted to review one of your items. I chose this planter. Now, because I'm redoing my deck, I am stripping it all the way down, or as much as I can, and we're painting the deck black and the railing black. You guys probably already knew that's the way it was gonna go. So anyway, I asked AI to create some images for me that will show you my ideas for the deck, but also feature the planter from LUE BONA. So LUE BONA offers several different types of outdoor furniture. They have Adirondack chairs, they have a regular table and chairs, just so many things that you can choose from. But I chose the planter because I want to have planter boxes along the sides of my deck. And I think that I want to plant some herbs in them. So when I'm cooking, all I have to do is go out to the deck, snip, 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 get some little herbs, and come in and finish my cooking. So that is the plan for the deck, and I want to thank LUE BONA for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I will have their information linked down below. The black planter is sold out, but it is still available in like a light colored blue and a natural tone. So I will have it linked in the description box down below. Make sure you go check it out. Or if you're in need of an Adirondack chair or patio furniture or deck furniture in general, just go check them out. So my plans for the deck, again, is painting it all out and black. And originally I told you guys I wanted to go with some light colored furniture for the deck, but I have since changed my mind, and I think I'm just gonna black it out. You guys know I love black, and I think blacking it out and then adding black and white pillows will give me the best look. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna show you how the deck looks currently. It's just horrible, awful. And then I'll show you the plans that AI and I have created together of how I hope my deck looks once it's finished. So, all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my deck plans. We have a little rabbit over here. What are you doing, little buddy? Are you gonna run off? No? You're just gonna sit there? What are you doing? Where's your family? All right, I'll see you later. All right, so we're going up the steps of my deck, and I want to share with you where we are. So I painted this deck 2 or 3 years ago now, and this is how it is currently looking. Horrible to say the least. I did a power wash on the deck and try to get up as much paint as possible. And the little rabbit is still down there. Now he's running off. I try to get off as much loose paint as possible. Then I'm gonna try to strip it a little bit, and then we are going to paint it. But I want to share with you some renderings that I had AI do for me on how we want it to look. So that is what I am going to show you now. But yeah, the deck is a hot mess. I have not been able to get out here because it's constantly raining, like constantly. I can never get out here to do what I want to do. I have, I think, 3 days next week of dry weather. So I'm going to try to get it done then. But let me just show you what I hope the deck looks like once it's finished. Guys, so that is my vision for the deck. I cannot wait for it to be finished and completed, where we're out there enjoying the deck. I haven't decided if I'm going to put a umbrella back on the deck. My thought is, this is my plan. I want to get some posts, some pressure treated posts to go in each corner of the deck, paint those black, add some curtain rods, and then add some white curtains, outdoor curtains, to give us some privacy from our neighbors. I also thought about maybe putting up a pergola out there on the deck, but you know, I want to do it in a budget-friendly, cost-effective way. And I was watching videos on pergolas, and they can range anywhere from $14,000 to $20,000, and I don't want to spend that much money to refresh my deck. So the thought is to go with a post in each corner with a curtain rod and the outdoor curtains. I think that's going to be the most cost-effective way to refresh the deck. So that is the plan, guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I'm sorry that I could not put the video together in real life so you guys could see, but I think AI did a great job combining my vision into videos where you can get the inspiration. Hopefully all of this rain goes away. I am just so tired of the rain. I'm ready for sunny days and sunny weather and grilling outside and sitting on the deck and enjoying a cool glass of refreshing drink of some sort. And you know, just having a nice meal out there. So I'm ready for that. Hopefully we can get it done once the rain subsides. So I hope today's video has inspired you in some way. Even though, again, it wasn't real life, I think it gave you the idea of where I'm going with my deck. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the blacked out deck. I think it's going to be absolutely fabulous, especially once I get the posts and the white outdoor curtains, as you can see them fluttering in the wind. Oh my gosh, it's going to look so nice. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know anything you might change or anything you might add. I am always open to constructive criticism. But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, what I should change, what I should add, what I should consider. But that is the plan for the deck. So leave me a comment, like I said, down below. Let me know if you think I should go with the all black, or if you think that is a con, why, and what you would do instead. Did you see that little rabbit? Wasn't it so cute? And it wasn't afraid either. It wasn't going anywhere. It just sat there like listening to me talk. And then it finally ran off. But I thought that was so cute. I wanted to leave that in the video. So yeah, guys, that is the plan for the deck. Again, thank you, LUE BONA, for sponsoring a portion of today's video. I will have their product linked in the description box down below. So yeah, you can go check it out. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you, like I said, in some way. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of budget-friendly, quiet luxury home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, let's take one last look at our soon-to-be real-life deck, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.